Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to find Facebook Messenger QR code, and now let's dive right in. Now to find the Facebook Messenger QR code, first open up your Messenger app on your phone. After opening your Facebook Messenger app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen and this panel will appear, and when this panel appears, guys, you can see the settings or the QR icon available for us at the top right corner of this panel. Tap on the settings and you land on the settings interface of your account, where you can see there is a small square icon at the top right corner of the screen over here. Tap on that icon and you will find the QR code of your Facebook Messenger over here. Now if you want to share it, you can just tap on the share button over here or take a screenshot of that QR code. You will be able to share it to many medias which are available on your phone, and you can also copy the link of that QR code from over here and send it to anybody you like. With that being done, guys, this is how to find your Facebook Messenger QR code. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.